Hello, it's Tristan from Manitoba Marketing here. Just making this really quick video to give you guys a couple tips and tricks on what I think you can do just to increase your online presence. Um, Everything that I will point out today is all educational, and what you decide to do with the information is 100% up to you. But please reach out to me if you have any questions, or if you feel I have something to offer, then please give me a shout back and we can maybe work something out. I'm going to go over three things in the video. First is going to be content, then backlinks, and then citations. Um, First, with content, Google likes around 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage, and you guys are your reviews and stuff, not quite there, which is okay. The only reason Google likes that is because Google sends bots to crawl over your website looking for keywords to make you relevant for search terms. For when people search up massage therapy brand and therapeutic massage, anything like that, Google uses all of the content on your website to look for relevance for you guys so that you show up when people search up just a basic search. Um, Another thing you can do just to add more content, add another keyword. You can save pictures as keywords just to get a little bit extra. It's a super easy way to throw in another keyword into your website. Um, The second thing is backlinks. So this is a tool that I pay for. It's called Ahrefs. I pay for it monthly. There are plenty of backlink tools that you can get. This is just one that shows me everything that I need for my business. And as we can see here, you guys have 3 referring domains. So those are just any other website that refer back to you that give you 3 backlinks, 3 links linking back to your website. So backlinks help you rank organically in Google searches. So in any of these here, the more backlinks you have, the stronger the backlinks are, the higher you're going to rank in the organic rankings of Google. And what that's going to do is it's just going to get your website seen, it's going to get your business seen by more people, and just help to get you guys phone calls. And as we can see here as well, we've got 19 organic keywords that you guys have on your website with an organic traffic of 5. So that's 5 people roughly per month that visit your website. If we just flip over, I've got Reactive Massage Therapy, Brandon, on a different screen, and they've got 40 referring domains, giving them 375 backlinks. So that is why they are ranking #1 spot on Google search. So all we'd have to do, we'd go into those referring domains and see what it would take to put your website on them. Most of the time, it's just a matter of putting your business, your website link, and address and phone number, any of that kind of stuff, and just making a profile with them. Sometimes there's like a one-time paid sponsorship, sorry, and sometimes some of them might be like a membership sort of deal. But keep in mind, not all backlinks are actually made equal. Google is a big popularity contest, to put it honestly in the best way. And you are only popular in your category, basically. So if you're having any backlinks from businesses or websites that don't have anything to do with massage therapy or anything like that, any rehabilitative medicine, anything like that, Google is going to find those links spammy. So as we can see, this domain rating here is basically a strength of your popularity. Reactive massages is only 10, where your guys' is 92. So it's basically your trust rating on Google. So all three of your backlinks are from businesses that have to do with massage therapy, therapeutic massage. Whereas reactive massage, they're only sitting at about 10. You want these two numbers to be pretty much the same, uh, just so that Google sees you as trustworthy. The last thing is citations. So a citation is your business name, number, and address listed in any directory on Google. Now I'm just comparing to reactive massage again because they're at the #1 spot. So they've got 40 citations and you guys have 30. The more citations you have, the higher you rank on this Google Map Pack. Now, I've been doing a lot of research in the area. I've been clicking around a lot. So Google might have skewed my search results just a little bit, just because Google tends to show you what you like. If you have a bunch of cookies from one website, your history is all on one website, it's going to show you that website more likely. So I'd recommend going on your phone and just seeing where you guys rank on this Google Map Pack. For me, you're third, which is pretty awesome because lots of times people aren't going to go much further than this. They're just going to go, they've got 4.9 stars out of 5, they've got 4.8, they've got 5, and they're just going to click on one of these 3 websites. They're not even going to always bother going here unless they just want to keep scrolling and keep finding out more information. So even again with the citations, all we'd have to do, go into reactive massages citations, enter your business in them, see what directories they have that you don't, and beat them out. So those are the 3 things that I have for you. Content, Google likes 1,500 to 2,000 words, just so that they can scan for keywords. Backlinks, the stronger the better, I'll say. Not necessarily the more the better, because Google likes ones that are relevant to your business. And then citations, your business name, address, and phone number listed in any directory on Google. And yeah, those are the 3 things I have for you guys for today. Super easy. Please, if you feel you have any questions or anything you want to reach out to me for, please do, and I will get back to you. Thank you very much.